Hello friends, welcome to yet another video from Gizbot. As you can see today, we have a new TV in the house, that is the Onida fireTV edition. So you might ask, what is Onida fireTV edition? This is a TV that has brought two companies together, that is Onida and Amazon. As you all know, Amazon makes Fire TV stick, that is a smart stick where you can connect to an ordinary TV or a monitor that converts into smart TV. This Onida Fire TV edition has a built-in Fire Stick, that means it is powered by Fire Stick, so you get all the features of a Amazon Fire Stick. Besides, it also has a built-in Alexa, and this specific model with 32-inch HD display retails for $11,999. With the ongoing offers, you can easily get this television, that is smart television, for just $11,000, especially if you use an SBI credit card or debit card. Today, I would like to showcase some of the features that is being offered on the Onida Fire TV Stick edition. So as you all know, the Alexa can be used to get various information. There is a remote, so there is a mic button. If you press it and say command to Alexa, she will come up with a reply. Let us test this in. Alexa, what's the weather like in Bengaluru?
In Bengaluru, Karnataka, it's 29 degrees Celsius with clear skies and sun. Today, you can expect scattered clouds with a high of 29 degrees and a low of 14 degrees.
So not only that, using the Alexa voice command, you can also search without actually putting the input into the TV. Alexa, open Gizbot YouTube channel. As you can see, it opens YouTube app. As you can see, it opens Gizbot YouTube channel, and whatever the voice command that you give, it will do. Let us search for another thing, that is the built-in music player on this one, that is Amazon Music. Alexa, open Amazon Music.
Here's Amazon Music.
As you can see, it opens an app. Depending on if you have a Prime account or not, it will showcase your music, your playlist and songs that are being played on other devices that you have the same Amazon account. As you can see, you can browse through the music app and select what are the music that you're interested to play. One of the another interesting thing about this Onida Fire TV edition is the fact that it combines most of the streaming apps available in the Indian market, that is Amazon Prime, Netflix, Hotstar and some other apps. And if you go to movie, as you can see, these movies have been selected from the various streaming services that you have logged into the TV. As you can see, most of the shows that are currently being displayed on the TV are from the Prime videos. Similarly, there are some other options like TV shows. If you go, again it will show the TV shows available on the Prime Video. Next comes is the app. Though this is not an Android TV, the Fire TV operating system is actually based on AOSP, that is Android open source project. So you have almost all the apps that an Android TV or Android Smart TV can offer. As you can see, we have so many apps and games. Even if you go to game category, you have so many games to play with, and most of these games are free, which is another highlight of this Onida Fire TV edition. I would also like to make a special mention that this is the first Fire TV edition that is officially being launched in India. There is also a high-end model of this variant that comes with a Full HD display and a 43-inch screen. As for the I/O, at the back you have 3 HDMI port and a single USB port that can be used to connect to your computer, or you can give input using a pen drive or a hard disk to watch movies directly on this television. There are both advantages and disadvantages for this smart TV. It doesn't support Chromecast, so if you have a modern Android smartphone, you won't be able to mirror it, but some of the phones from Vivo, Xiaomi, Oppo, which supports Miracast, can't be used as a screen mirroring devices with this one. That is another issue. This has been the quick feature overview of the Onida Fire TV edition available in India. For more amazing videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you get a notification each time we upload a new video. This is Vivek signing off.